How's it going, guys? Butcher's Block here, and today I have a package from Downunder Monkey. So, Downunder Monkey, mate, awesome package. Now, this is a re-record. I recorded the package opening in, opening it on camera, and the sound was just completely rubbish. So I have to record it again, so it's going to be a little less exciting unwrapping and all of that. But I'm still absolutely stoked to get all of this. It's a brilliant package. All right, so I'm just going to tilt down a little bit. So this package here came about just from Downunder Monkey's awesome generosity, and just from a comment me saying, "Oh, I don't really have rim cylinders and that many, kicks," and so he just goes, "Okay, I'll get my bucket and pick out some locks." So, mate, this is just absolutely phenomenal. So I'll go through a few of what we got. So, and he sent me a brand new lock, a Lockton. Now, on the eBays, I have had my eye on one of these. So, I really should grab one of those. And no, I have one. So, brilliant. So this, I would, it's a Lockton. It's a 45mm, I do believe. Let me just check that. So I do think this to be a Avis clone, because look at them, they look identical. I do quite like the finish of the Lockton, really nice. Keys, works perfect, really nice, just beautiful lock. Alright, he can go back in his bed for now. Okay, let's go through some rim cylinders. So, majority of these are pinned up and all that. Some have keys, some don't, and he sent me a few unpinned so I could, I can challenge locks and whatnot. So this is one of the newer Lockwoods with the obviously Astro Boy, and then a couple different sorts of these guys here. So another lovely Lockwood. So I have tried to pick like one of these, and the one I picked had tapered in it, and they're really quite tough. So got a few. Oh no, this Yale is one I got from work. So that is to go back there. Another lovely Lockwood, and then a Whitco, which Whitco is an Australian brand, recently bought out by Astro Boy. So I have a fair few Whitco Euros, because that's what's standardly in like security doors, security screens and whatnot over here. And I do have one Whitco Oval, which I've picked a while back, with flat as bidding, but it's got some like barrel pins in there or something, which is quite strange. Anyway, then we got a lovely no-name one again, and a Honeywell. I've not ever heard of this brand before, but I have one now. Alright, now chucked in a couple of euros and half euros. This one I really love. So this one is a union with one of these cool sprocket cam sort of things, and a really nice little different keyway. Now the key on it says South Africa, so I'm guessing this is a South African lock. Don't really know much, if any, about Union, but all I know is that really, really nice. And then he sent a couple more unpinned, and I really like that keyway. It's very, very similar to the BF keyway. Sort of, just reverse sort of thing, isn't it? Yeah. And she sent another a key that is it works for it, and another key. How cool is that? Well, let's unzoom. Now let's get on to the kicks. So this is first Wiser lock I've held. The key is aluminium, which is really strange. It's got a sort of standard but different, like a LW4 keyway. A few kicks, all pinned up. That is from normally from a like a Lockwood style actuator and a padlock, which is strange. Yeah. I've got a couple more of these awesome kicks. Cool kicks. Now, I don't think. Oh, it does. I was going to say, I don't think that LW4 will work in there, but it does. Alright. Another awesome one. Now these ones are interesting. So I've not ever seen this style cylinder before. But with the tail piece, I'm probably guessing it's from like a front entry. Hang on. Dog needs to be let up. Well, like one of these handles. That's what I'm guessing it's from. But if I'm wrong, please let me know. Yeah, that is again. This one's an Edmunds. I don't know what Edmunds is. All I know is that's really cool. And then we've got another one with that Edmunds keyway. And another doorknob, potentially similar. Now this one, we'll talk about him last. Okay, so he sent me this. He sent me this Ostule. I don't know what that one's from. Ostule. I don't know. Anyway, and a couple ovals, not pinned up. Now we did send, where is it? This F go with this guy. I don't really recall seeing this keyway before. Looks really nasty. The pin's resting on that shelf there. That's really nasty. Alright, where is he? Last one. Okay. Yes, so this little lane kick. So it's got these here. So this is quite a coincidence, I guess, because I've got a couple of blanks of this one, because this keyway, this is a CB, I do believe this is the CB, like the CB34R, like a Corbin style keyway, because that's, well, it suits two really great purposes, because you can do a bit of modification and you can suit them to this keyway. So that's this blank here, and then the other ones I have, oh, drop something. You modify it for the JA keyway. So that is really cool. I didn't know what locks these went to. So that's really awesome. Yeah. So thanks heaps for all that, buddy. That is just phenomenal, brilliant. Cannot thank you enough. Yeah, okay, well, yep, once again, everyone check out DownunderMonkey. I'm sure if you're subscribed to me, you will be subscribed to him, but on the off chance, I'll leave a link in the description. And that is all for me tonight. Everyone stay sane and be you.